We live in northern Vermont. We're on the Canadian border in Lake Champlain. We live on a dead-end dirt road.
There's not a lot of traffic going by, so we just need to use the electronic media to get out to the world and sell our products.
The internet is real important to us. Last year we sold a significant amount of maple syrup. Probably more than half of the syrup we sold was sold off online from people who just Googled us up. Well, we use it for a lot of things, not just marketing our products, but I also pay all of our bills online. I do most of my banking online now. We ship with UPS, and we're uploading and downloading files with them every day. So it frees up our phone line. All these activities, when we had dial-up, kept our phone line busy, so customers couldn't always get through. Now the phone lines are always free. Daniel doesn't make dairy sales with the internet, but time is money, and when he can get valuable information about something that he's doing in a timely manner, it saves him money and it saves him time. For instance, one day he was waiting for a report to come in on the soil test for his cornfields. And when the report came in with the test, it showed that we had enough phosphorus, and so buying more fertilizer and him spending a day spreading it was something that we didn't have to do. And because that information came to us in a real timely manner, we're able to make quick business decisions. Well, the kids use the internet actually to pursue some hobbies.
Hi, my name is John Fortin, and I use this website to learn how to play songs on the guitar.
Usually when projects are assigned, there's always some internet sources that have to be cited. So I would say that the kids use the computer pretty regularly for schoolwork. It's a big Britannica encyclopedia set. I think internet access should be available to everyone. It's really spiked everything here.